Alright, this is your video for learning the parts of a microscope lab. Okay, I'm going to jump down. You should have already filled out the parts of a microscope and then read over the rules of using the microscope. And I'm going to jump down to section 3, viewing the letter E. Okay, it says to make sure the stage is down on your microscope is on and scanning power objectives. That's the lowest power lens. I have done that. Place the prepared letter E slide right side up on the stage of the microscope so the letter is over the hole and the light is shining up through it. Be sure that the glass under the stage clips. Okay, so now you're going to be looking through and you're going to see what you would see if you were using the microscope, if you were looking through the eyepiece. I'm going to turn the coarse adjustment knob so that I can get it into focus. Okay, so right now I'm turning the coarse adjustment knob, and you should start to see it get into focus. There it is. Okay, now remember, I put this E on the slide, the microscope, right side up. Okay, so now observe and sketch in the first circle what you see. Okay, maybe pause the video while you are sketching, because I'm going to move forward. Okay, and notice that the E, or the needle, is pointing right at that E. All right, I am going to take it over to the 100 power lens. And using the fine adjustment knob, just focus it just a little bit more. Okay? Now go ahead and sketch in that circle what you see. Okay, now taking it over to the 400 power lens. I'm using that fine adjustment knob. Try to get a little bit more focus. It's about all we're going to get. Okay, you can see that there's a little bit of light right here still. So this is all dark. And this is all the E over here. Okay, sketch what you're seeing in that third circle. Okay, now we're going to go over to the back side. Section 4. I'm going to put the stage all the way down. I'm going to shift it to the objective power lens, or the scanning power. Stage all the way down. And I'm going to switch over to the cork slide. And remember, this is what Robert Hooke looked at when he first saw cells. Right, using the coarse adjustment knob, because we're on the lowest power, we're on the scanning power lens, I'm going to raise it up until it gets into focus for you. Okay, this time you need to fill in the magnification that we're on, which we are on 40 power, and fill at the top what is the drawing of, so cork cells. And then in the circle, you need to fill in what you see on the lens. Okay, now we're going to switch over to the 100 power lens. Okay, it's zoomed in quite a bit more. I'm going to use that fine adjustment knob to get a little bit more into focus for you. Okay, now you're going to sketch in the middle circle what you see on the lens. Okay, and then I'm going to shift over to the highest power, the 400 power lens. Okay, and it's almost in focus. I'm going to adjust it just slightly so you can get a little better. I think right there. Okay, sketch what you see in that circle. Okay, once you have finished with sketching, you are going to answer the lab questions. Okay, you're capable of answering the lab questions because I basically just did the lab with you. Okay, so fill in those answers, and then when you are finished, you will turn the lab in to me. Make sure that you have done detailed sketches. If you need to, you can watch the video again. Make sure you're doing detailed sketches of what you see in those pictures.